Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve one tricky Java interview question using Stream API. That is, get highest salary employee in each department using Stream API. So for this we have created one employee class here with the attributes employee number, name, salary and department. With respect to setters, getters and also the toString method. And now we have created one test class, and here in the Java main method we have a list of employees. So there is employee numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 employees are working in IT department, 2 employees are working in research department, and they have some salaries, and 1 employee working in operations department. And now we are going to group the employees first by department, and then for each department group we are going to find the max salary employee. So the result will be map of department name as a key and employee having highest salary in the department as a value. So we are going to write map of string comma optional of employee. Now we are going to take variable name as map equal to employees dot stream dot collect, and to the collect method we are providing a collector object, Collectors.groupingBy, and the first parameter for the grouping by will be the classifier function based on which the stream elements must be grouped. So we are going to group them on department number. So employee : get department based on the department, employee : get department, comma. Then we need to find for each department group max salary employee. So for that we are going to use Collectors.maxBy, comparator.comparing double, we can also write comparing double of employee : get salary. And now we got a map. Now we want to display for each group the employee having the highest salary. So for that we are writing map.forEach. For each we are providing department name, comma employee, which is optional object. So I'm just passing OPT, then arrow token, and here we want to display the name of the department and also the employee. So sout, we want to display the name of the department, plus we want to give some space, then we want to display that employee, opt.get. Now let's run this code and check the output. Now you can see the department name is research, employee number is 2 and salary is 60,000. And for IT department, employee number is 3, salary is 70,000, and operations department has only 1 employee, so the highest salary employee will be same employee, that is with salary 30,000. Comment as Java to get more Java interview questions. Thanks for watching this. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.